The uncomfortable truth: your income has a ceiling. You are not underpaid. You are under-leveraged. Say it out loud. Let that sentence land, because it holds the key to everything you want to build, create, and earn. This is not a criticism, it is a diagnosis. You have been trained to believe your worth is tied to a clock. It's a belief system we inherit, a story whispered from our first job to our last performance review. That your value is measured in the hours you put in at a desk, that your commitment is judged by how late you stay, and that the only way to earn more is to work harder, longer, and sacrifice more of your life. This is the myth of the good employee, a relic of an industrial age that has no place in our digital world. This is the oldest, most limiting lie in the world of work. A paradigm designed to keep you compliant, not wealthy. It's a structure that benefits the system, not the individual. The truth is, your skills are valuable. Your expertise is in demand. Your passion is palpable. But passion alone doesn't pay the bills when it's trapped in the wrong model. You are pouring that energy into a container too small for your potential. A single job, a single client, a single way of earning is, by nature, a bottleneck. It caps your income, impact, and freedom. If you trade 1 hour for 1 unit of pay, you will always play a losing game. There are only so many hours in a day. It is a game of addition, when you should be playing a game of multiplication. Consider this. A consultant charges $100 an hour. To make $10,000, she needs to work 100 hours. But a creator who spends that same hour building a digital product can sell it to 100 customers for $100 each and make that same $10,000 while she sleeps. See the difference, and you can change the rules of the game. You work diligently, you meet every deadline, you deliver high-quality work. You are the perfect employee, the reliable freelancer. Yet your bank account does not reflect the true value you create. It reflects only the hours you've billed. You feel quietly stuck, running on a treadmill that goes nowhere. You run faster, you work longer, but your scenery never changes. The effort increases, but the destination remains stubbornly out of reach. It is not your fault, but it is your responsibility to step off. The system was built for linear progress, for cogs in a machine. It was designed for predictable, incremental gains, not your exponential growth. But you are not a cog. You are a creative force. It's time to stop trying to fit into a system that was never meant for you, and instead, build systems that honor that force. This is the leverage gap, the vast, silent space between your expertise and the wealth you deserve. It's the missing link that keeps brilliant people from becoming truly free. Picture yourself standing on one side of a great chasm. You have everything you need right where you are, your skills, your experience, your unique perspective. And on the other side, you can see it clearly. The life of financial autonomy, creative freedom, and meaningful impact you've always envisioned. The chasm itself isn't the obstacle, it's the opportunity. The missing piece is the bridge, and that bridge is leverage. Let's be clear. The problem is not your knowledge. You already have the skills. You've proven your value time and again, solving complex problems for employers, clients, and colleagues. Consider a talented graphic designer. For years, she created stunning logos for individual clients, one project at a time. Her income was capped by the hours in her day. Then, she built a bridge. She created a high-value course teaching her unique branding methodology. Now, she sells that knowledge to hundreds of aspiring designers at once, earning more in a month than she used to in a year. She crossed the gap, or think of the financial consultant, trapped in back-to-back hourly sessions. He was an expert, but his impact was limited to one person at a time. His bridge was a software tool. He codified his process into an affordable subscription app that helps thousands manage their finances. He stopped trading time for money and started delivering value at scale. Leverage is the set of tools, systems, and platforms that multiply your reach and impact far beyond your physical presence. These are your digital products, like courses and ebooks. They are your group coaching programs and workshops. They are the automated systems that market, sell, and deliver your expertise for you. Crucially, they sever the toxic link between your time and your income, allowing you to serve hundreds, even thousands, with the effort that once served one. Knowledge alone is potential energy, stored but unused. Leverage assembles that knowledge into an engine and connects it to a vehicle that can actually take you somewhere. One person rents their knowledge by the hour, earning in addition. The other builds a signature program, earning in multiplication. This is how you scale through technology. You create your value once, and you sell it infinitely. Your business runs 24/7, reaching people anywhere in the world, even while you sleep, travel, or focus on creating your next big thing. You stop being just a practitioner and become the guide. And guides who deliver transformations command higher prices and create a much wider impact. The bridge is waiting. It's time to cross it. The ultimate goal is to multiply yourself. This isn't about cloning your body or working twice as hard. It's about building systems that work for you, even when you're not working. It's the fundamental shift from a one-to-one model, where you trade an hour for a fixed payment, to a one-to-many model, where your effort can serve hundreds or even thousands simultaneously. Every hour invested in creating a leveraged asset, a digital product, a piece of content, a scalable service, is an hour that can pay you back 100-fold. It's an investment in your future freedom. To do this, you must think of yourself as the CEO of You, Incorporated. Your time is no longer just for doing the work, it's for building the business. This means you must carve out dedicated builder time and protect it fiercely from client demands and daily distractions. This is non-negotiable time for creating your assets. Let's start with the purest form of leverage, the digital product. This is an asset you create once that can be sold infinitely, 24/7, without your direct involvement. It completely detaches your income from your time, the ultimate form of financial multiplication. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with what you already know. Package a specific solution to a specific problem that people are willing to pay to solve. The best way to begin is with a micro offer. Think of it as a focused solution. One painful problem, 5 clear steps, leading to one quick, satisfying win for your customer. A short, focused product like a workbook, a template pack, or a mini course will always sell easier than a sprawling, epic program. It's a low-risk, high-value proposition. Your first product will not be perfect, and that's the point. The goal isn't perfection, it's to learn the entire process from creation to sale. So, ship it. Even if you price it at just 27 Mars. Create it, build a simple sales page, and share the link. This single act of launching will change everything for you. Next, you need a way to attract buyers. You need to build a content engine. Strategic, consistent content builds the trust and authority you need at scale, working tirelessly to bring the right people to you. It acts as a powerful magnet, attracting your ideal clients so you never have to chase them. They come to you because you've proven your value up front. Don't try to be everywhere. Pick one platform where your ideal clients gather and go deep. Master its unique nuance, its algorithm, and its culture. Your content should do one of two things: educate or inspire. Short, powerful, and genuinely helpful content always wins. Give away your best ideas, and every single post needs a purpose. It must include a clear call to action, telling your audience exactly what to do next. The most important call to action is to join your email list. Build this list from day one. It is the only audience asset you truly own, safe from changing algorithms. So here's your first action item. This week, create and post 3 valuable pieces of content on your chosen platform. Each one must have a clear call to action to join your email list. Finally, let's talk about your services. You don't have to abandon them. You just have to make them smarter and more leveraged. The first rule is to stop selling hours immediately. Start selling outcomes, results, and transformations. Package your expertise into a solution, not a block of time. This shift in positioning alone allows you to command premium prices because you're pricing based on the value you create, not the time you spend. Consider group programs. They make your expertise more accessible for clients who can't afford your one-on-one rates, and they instantly multiply your revenue for each hour you deliver. To make this work, you must standardize your scope, your deliverables, and your price. This creates a predictable process for you and eliminates dreaded scope creep forever. Then, use templates and automation to streamline delivery without sacrificing quality. Think automated onboarding with Zapier, templated project plans in Notion, and canned email responses. Here is your second action item. Redefine your core service into a premium, fixed-scope package. Give it a name, define the exact outcome, and outline the process. Then, price it based on the value of that result. As a starting point, aim for a price that is 3 to 5 times what you would have charged for the equivalent hours. This becomes your new signature offer. It's the cornerstone of your leveraged business model, elevating your brand, your authority, and most importantly, your income. Understanding is one thing, walking the path is another. Discipline and self-mastery are the planks to your leveraged future. Protect your focus, guard your time, act before you feel ready. Confidence is a byproduct of action. You are not underpaid, you are under-leveraged. This truth is not a weight, it is a pair of wings. Use your skills in ways that scale, build assets, systematize services. The choice and the power are yours. Wealth is not about working more, it is about leveraging better. Like and subscribe for me content like this.